Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So last 4 or 5 or 6 days I didn't post any video. That is because I was seriously ill. I got a heavy cold and climate here down south it's very hot. It's first thing it is very cold and second thing it is raining very hard, and this combination gave a very bad climate. Anyway, in this video, we will not talk about the market, but rather I'll tell how we performed during this calendar year 2022, right? Why am I saying this is because you are also one of the stakeholders. It is because of you we have grown or we are growing, right? And we have plans also how to develop this community, how to grow this fraternity so that each and everyone wins and we have a win-win situation. See, this community, this forum or this fraternity is for helping each other. As an option seller, I have learned many things from this community, and I'm sure you have also learned many things from our YouTube channel, right? Talking about the YouTube channel, I'll give some figures. So last year alone, this calendar year alone, this channel around around 10 lakh people have viewed this channel. That is, to be precise, 927.8k people have watched this channel, and watch time is around 75k, and around 7,000 people have subscribed to this channel. And of course, revenue, it would have generated revenue. It has generated a 6-digit revenue. Of course, this channel is monetized. Not only this channel, we have a Tamil channel also, one Tamil channel, regional channel, which we don't post any video, but that channel is also monetized, right? So I am really thankful to you for helping us and helping each other and helping us to grow this channel. And I am saying again and again, without you, we could have not achieved this. Now, you may ask one thing, what about the trading profit? To be frankly, we didn't make much profit in trading this year. And you know what happened? Market has moved violently, markets were super volatile because of Russia-Ukraine issue, some other issue, Corona issue, then inflation, conspiracy theories, so on and so forth. Lots of things were happening in the market, and we saw huge gap ups and gap downs, and it was relatively very volatile than last year. So we didn't make much money in trading. To be precise, I'll tell you, maybe around 7 to 8% we would have made. So if this calendar year I'm saying, or let's say this financial year, this financial year 7 to 8%. So we are sitting in December, January, February, March, April, another 4 months for this financial year. Let us see how we are performing. Apart from that, if you are following us for a very long time, you might know this is not trading is not trading is not the only business we do. We have other things also, vertical also. Say for example, YouTube is monetized. Both the channels are monetized. It's been almost more than 1.5 years since we monetized this channel. Both channels we have monetized. Apart from that, we generate revenue from other sources also. Zebu is our prime associate sponsor. Dhan is our sponsor. Quantmann is our sponsor. So that way we have generated good amount of revenue from YouTube videos and other YouTube related revenues. So these are the YouTube related revenues. Apart from this, if you can remember, if you might know, we launched our own app in Google Play Store and iOS platform, and till date around 7,000 people have downloaded the app, both in Apple Play Store and Google Play Store, and around 450 people have enrolled in one or other courses. Maybe it is a webinar, maybe it is some other course or some mentorship program. So people have enrolled, around 450 people have enrolled in this courses. So that way, if we speak, that is also one revenue which we have generated. And to talk, since we are talking about this application mentorship program, I can tell you in this mentorship program around 250 people, 200 to 225 or 230 people have enrolled in mentorship program. And till now we have clocked around 30% ROI, and I think around 1.75 lakh profit has been generated from mentorship program. This is with a capital of 5 to 6 lakh. 5 to 6 lakh. So that works out to be 30%, right? So this is how we have performed in terms of this financial year. And I can tell you one more thing, this optionsense.com or this whatever you are seeing is 100% legitimate. See, we have a company which is registered in Ministry of Corporate Affairs. We have a GST filing. We follow strict compliance, and compliance cost itself is so much. We are spending so much on compliance. Why am I saying all this is because, as I told you, you are one of the stakeholders. Like it is because of you we have grown this much. If you were not here, or if you are not supporting, we would have not grown this much. And let me tell you, this YouTube channel optionsense.com has a good retention rate. Let me say what is retention rate. Retention rate is something like, let's say I put a 10-minute video. So most of the 60 to 70% of the people watch the video till the end. So that's called retention rate. How much percent of people I retain, I make them watch the video, right? So we have a good retention rate. Again, thanks to you people. Because of you, we have grown this much. Apart from that, we have a website. We have created a forum. Believe me, we just created a forum just 1 month back. 700 people have registered, and there are people continuously posting in those forum. Let it be some trading ideas, let it be some adjustment, whatsoever about. I'm talking about options trading. If you want, you can go and register yourself, and you can post whatever you want. Maybe it is a video, maybe it is a payoff graphs, maybe some adjustment. Someone or other will, someone is going to come out and help you. So that is coming. That is with regards to website. And we have a very vibrant Telegram group. You can join there. More than 3,000 people are actively active in our Telegram group. There are lots of conversation going about trading in our Telegram group. You can join there as well. So this is how we have performed. I'm saying you again, we have not made good money in trading, but we have made decent money in other revenues, right? So as a company, see why we are here, right? No, see, there is no free lunch. You have to understand, there is no free lunch at all. If we are doing something legitimate, means we are having a big plan. See, you know only Umar, right? Umar is just 10% of what you are seeing. There are people backing me, right? So it's about like a big venture. So we are planning many things. We are venturing into software development. Our company is venturing into software development. We are in talk with developers, techies. We are planning to develop Python coding, algo trading. So algo is going to be the future. So we have seen a lot of things happening in the world of algo. So we are venturing into into algo trading and software development, Python development. Python coding for 2023. So this is how 2022 went. We really had a decent profit. We had decent money on a whole thing. But if you consider only trading, we didn't make so much money. You know the reason, as I told you. So let's see how things pan out. and 2023 today is the last day. I don't want to miss out. I don't want to miss the last day. Even though I am recovered fully, you can identify from my this itself, voice itself. I still have little throat infection. So we'll see how things pan out. Wish you all happy advance New Year. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.